between you and me, I like the set the way it used to be. Oh, much better.
Oh, but it already is.
Okay. We'll make a great start.
Here, Spot.
Stranded!
He's looking for dinner already.
Not much time. Planet mates, squeeze the life out of us. We must find shelter!
Come on back.
I'm never gonna find
Don't
shelter.
ski and run. Come on, Spot.
Hey guys, come on in. Enjoy your time.
I'll check a blood check. New law says you have to clean up after your dog.
Here it is, and he says not a speck of cereal. See you later, Spot.
That's right. Let's go pick him up.
There's no response.
Are you We're stranded!
Here's your host, the master chef himself, Mr. Bill.
Ooh, kiddies! Boy, we gonna have fun today because we're all gonna learn how to cook my favorite dish, hot dogs and chili. Yay! Now, first, we have to open the can of chili. Say, Mr. Hands, could you give me a hand with this, huh?
Oh, sure, Mr. Bill.
Wait a second. What is that thing? No, wait, stop that. No, wait, just leave me alone.
Gee, he couldn't wait, huh, Mr. Bill?
Mr. Hands, you could have used a can opener. Anyway, next, we open the pack of hot dogs.
Gee, Mr. Bill, I forgot to go shopping. Say, we can use Spot.
Oh, no, you leave Spot alone.
No, it's simple. You just place the dog in the dog-o-matic,
Oh, wait, get him out of that. No.
then plug it in, and presto! Instant hot dog.
Oh, I don't want to cook anymore. It's too dangerous.
No, Mr. Bill, it's simple as long as you have a good recipe.
A recipe?
Sure, here's a good cookbook.
I don't know about this.
This looks like a good recipe. Chicken catchabilly.
Ketchup.
First, we'll need 1 crushed tomato. Okay, next, we'll need 1 diced onion. We'll use this time-saving kitchen appliance.
Yeah, but what about my hand? What's that in the...
Gee, thanks for giving me a hand, Mr. Bill. Next, we'll need some stuffing. It says to use 1 pound of dough. That feels about right.
Hey, stop.
Then gently knead the dough.
Leave me alone.
Now to spice things up, we'll add a dash of hot sauce. Okay, now the main ingredient, 1 chicken.
No, stop, wait.
And now we'll add the breadcrumbs.
Wait, stop that.
Great. Now it says to pop everything into the microwave oven and cook for 2 hours.
The microwave? No, wait, you can't do this. Get me out of here. No, stop that. No.
You're right, Mr. Bill. Kids, you should never ever put anything live into a microwave oven because it might hurt.
Boy, thank goodness. Wait, what about me? I'm alive. No, wait, really? Stop,
See you next time. Bon appetit.